Hey, good morning. Today, worker already installed for rebar for all, and here already make cross, same like that. Position pipa already install all. This is for drain. This is for drain for rain. This is water clean water from deep well. This is for rain. This is area powder. This is wastafel. This is for upper floor. This is for kitchen. This is for upper floor wastafel. This is area powder kitchen. Here still install formwork, and they still prepare for cleaning because here have soil, little soil, so must be clean. And for beton decking they already put, but I will say add more. They already put. For here already make connection to Villa 1, and area here already make connection to area backside. So for Villa 2 and Villa 3 we can pouring tomorrow in the night. Okay, that's it. This is additional beam because in drawing no have, but I add more because in here have terrace, small terrace in here same small terrace, so already position, already fixed, and yes, I think all already good, and we can order for 2 villa for pouring for ready mix. I will calculate for meter cubic concrete in here. Okay, thank you.